In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers, sub-customers, and projects in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know how to set up a clean customer list, create a clear hierarchy with sub-customers, and understand how that structure supports your projects and reporting. Let's start by adding a brand new customer. In QuickBooks Online, head to Sales, then open the Customers tab. This is your home base for everything related to clients. Look for the New Customer button and select it. A form will open where you can enter the basics, like the customer's full name and, if applicable, their company name. Take a moment to enter these carefully. Consistent spelling and formatting make searching and reporting much easier later. You'll also see optional sections you can use to add more context. If you already know how you want to be paid by this customer, set payment terms so invoices default to the correct due date. Notes are a great place to record helpful details you want at your fingertips, and attachments let you store documents right with the customer record. Think proposals, W-9s, or signed agreements. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. Your customer is in and ready for estimates, invoices, and payments. Next, let's set up a sub-customer. Sub-customers are perfect when you manage work by location, department, or job under a main customer. From the Customers tab, find the customer you want to turn into a sub-customer and double-click to open their profile. Click Edit. In the details, you'll see an option labeled Is a Sub-Customer. Check that box. A Parent Customer drop-down appears. Use this to choose the main customer that this record should roll up under. Pick the correct parent, confirm your changes, and click Save. Why use sub-customers? They let you keep billing and reporting neatly organized. You can view activity by each sub-customer or summarize it at the parent level, which is especially helpful for clients with multiple locations or ongoing jobs. Clear naming conventions help too. Include the site, department, or project nickname in the sub-customer's display name so it's instantly recognizable. A quick note on projects. In QuickBooks Online, projects tie back to customers or sub-customers, so the structure you just set up becomes the foundation for accurate job costing and profitability reporting. Even if you plan to use projects heavily, start by getting your customer and sub-customer hierarchy right. It keeps invoices, expenses, and reports aligned from day one. That's all you need to confidently add customers and sub-customers in QuickBooks Online. Keep things consistent, use the optional fields to your advantage, and your future self will thank you when it's time to bill or run reports.